Hey everyone, it's been a while since I posted a shop video. I just made this 2x72 belt grinder or belt sander that I just used an old 4x36 that was sitting around collecting dust and didn't want to modify it in case I ever want to use it again. So all I did is take the belt off, take this rest off, and the rest was mounted here. So no change. All I did is add this support, bolted in on the same spot where this rest was bolted into. And then I added the mechanism that holds a third wheel, skateboard wheel, and a bed. And there you go. I have a 2x72 belt grinder. Now, the reason I made this is because I had this in the past, which I made dedicated just for wood. But the dust collection was terrible, and I, in essence, had to take it apart to replace the belt. A real pain. And I wanted one dedicated for wood that had good dust collection, because I already had this one that was dedicated for metal. And you know, this is a design like many on the web. I made it out of scrap metal that I had kicking around and a treadmill I found on the side of the road. I used the motor from the treadmill and it works great, but I wanted to keep that dedicated for metal because when I'm grinding metal, I can just put a bucket underneath and it collects the shavings in the bucket. But for wood, it would make so much dust. So I tried to make this one, but though it had some dust collection, it was next to none. It didn't work very well. And taking the belt apart, well, that would be a huge pain just to replace the belt, and it needs it. So since I had the 4x36 sitting here collecting dust, I thought I could make a much more compact one. This is much more compact, and just like the 4x36, all I have to do is release this lever, loosens the tension, and I can replace the belt quite easily. And if I want to go back to 4x36, I just remove this, which takes everything, the support, the bed, the platen, the upper wheel, everything comes off with just 2 screws. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.